presentation about tenses. First, I will introduce my group member. My name is Putri Kautsar Izati. I'm from Purworejo, Central Java. Second, Novandi Fikri Wijaya from Bogor, West Java. Third, Nova Sulistianto, Court of Province Aceh. Fourth, Muhammad Reza Perwira Nugraha from Ngawi, East Java. And the last one, Nabila Paramita Harahap from Riau Island.
Here I will explain about the simple present tense. Definition: simple present tense. What is the present tense? So simple means there is an event. Well, if it's present, it means now. In essence, the simple present tense is a sentence with a verb form that express events that are taking place in the present. In terms of name, the formula for this tense is not too complicated. The reason is we often use these tenses in everyday life to state facts and events that are usually done. Before diving deeper, it's better if we recall the structure of a sentence so we can say a sentence if it consists of the following three things. 1. Subject. 2. Predicate. 3. Complement. Structure. Have you read the article about type of sentence? If you have, of course, you understand that a sentence can be verbal or nominal. So the name predicate is not always a verb. In a verbal sentence, after the subject will be followed by a verb. Meanwhile, in nominal sentence, after the subject will be accompanied by a noun verb which we usually know as an auxiliary verb or to be auxiliary verb. In general, the simple present tense formula is subject, verb 1, complement for positive sentence with verbal patterns in the pattern in nominal. Then the present tense formula becomes subject, auxiliary verb to be complement. Time using the simple present tense. This morning, yesterday, 4 days ago, last night, last week, last Sunday, last month, last year. Example: positive sentence. 1. She wants to be a doctor. 2. Cows eat grass. Negative sentence. 1. They don't have any money. 2. Lala doesn't see better in the class. Interrogative sentence. 1. Do they talk loud? 2. Does he play tennis?
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I will explain the present continuous material by Nabila Paramita Harahap. Definition: present continuous tense. Sentence pattern used to express an event that is currently taking place, yaitu berarti pola kalimat yang digunakan untuk menyatakan peristiwa yang sedang berlangsung sekarang. Function present continuous tense. Present continuous tense is a tense that serves to express an action that is being done in the present when speaking on something in the future. Di sini dijelaskan bahwa fungsi present continuous itu sendiri adalah untuk menyatakan kejadian yang sedang berlangsung saat ini dan menyatakan kejadian yang akan berlangsung. Next, present continuous tense formula. Baiklah, di sini saya akan menyebutkan rumus-rumus apa yang ada pada present continuous tense. Positif, subject plus to be, I'm, is, are, plus verb in. Negatif, subject plus to be, I'm, is, are, plus not plus verb in. Interrogatif, to be, I'm, is, are, plus subject plus verb in. Example, One of the positive examples is we are baking a cake. If you change it to negative, then add the word no, then it becomes we are not baking a cake. And the interrogative, are we baking a cake? The to be is moved forward. Another example, positive. She is baking a cake. I'm reading. She is writing. They are sleeping. Negative. She is not baking a cake. She is not reading. They are not writing. I'm not sleeping. Interrogative. Is she baking a cake? I'm sleeping. Is she writing? Are they reading? Well, that's a short video from me. If there is mistake in the words, please forgive me. Thank you.
Present perfect tense. Content of the presentation. 1. Definition. 2. Timeline. 3. Structure. 4. Example. Definition. Present perfect tense is a sentence pattern with a change in the form of the verb used to express or express an action or past event that is still continuing until now. Next is timeline. The present perfect tense describes an event that has just happened, but the result of the consequence of the event can still be seen and can still be felt when the conversation occurs. In addition, these tenses are usually used to show event or discuss experience or change related to a place. Next, this is a timeline of present perfect. Example, she has made a delicious cakes. Present perfect tense has two structure. Number 1, nominal sentence present perfect tense. Number 2, verbal sentence present perfect tense. Number 1, nominal sentence present perfect tense. Sentence pattern, affirmation. Formula, subject plus has or has plus been plus complement. Negative, subject plus has or have plus not plus been plus complement. Interrogative, has or have plus subject plus been plus complement plus question. Number 2, verbal sentence present perfect tense. Sentence pattern, affirmation. Formula, subject plus has or have plus verb 3. Negative, subject plus have or has plus not plus verb 3. Interrogative, have or has plus subject plus verb 3 plus question. Finally, example. Number 1, positive. Ari has played game 4 times a day. Negative. Ari has not played a game 4 times in a day. Interrogative. Has Ari played game 4 times a day? Number 2, positive. Susan has gone to Yogyakarta. Negative. Susan has not gone to Yogyakarta. Interrogative. Has Susan gone to Yogyakarta? Number 3, positive. She has slept for 10 hours in my room. Negative. She has not slept for 10 hours in my room. Interrogative. Has she slept for 10 hours in my room?
Here I will explain about the present perfect continuous tense. Content of the presentation. 1. Definition. 2. Timeline. 3. Structure. 4. Example. Definition: the present perfect continuous tense is a form of the verb used to express an action that has been completed at some point in the past or an action has begun in the past and continues until now. Timeline: the present perfect continuous I used to talk about the duration of an action or state that started in the past and is continuing in the present. Below we'll explore the present perfect continuous timeline form use with example. It is also called the present perfect progressive. Structure: the structure of present perfect continuous positive form. Subject plus have or has plus been plus verb ing. Negative form subject plus have or has plus not plus been plus verb ing. Question form have or has plus subject plus been plus verb ing. Example: positive: my brother has been driving. Negative: my brother is not driving. Interrogative: has your brother been driving? Positive: I have been swimming for 2 hours. Negative: I have not been swimming for 2 hours. Interrogative: have you been swimming for 2 hours? Positive: she has been decorating her room recently. Negative: she has not been decorating her room recently. Interrogative: has she been decorating her room recently?
Hello everyone. Today I will present my presentation about simple past tense. Okay, did you know what a simple past tense is? Simple past tense is a sentence that is used to tell an event that happened in the past and finished or ended in the past as well. So, the past tense is used when you are telling a story in the present about past activities. Next timeline. Describe completed action or past habit before now. It is also used to talk about a series of events in the past. Next, simple past tense formula. You must still remember that the predicate in tenses is divided into two, namely nominal and verbal forms. Verbal, positive, subject plus verb to plus object plus adverb. Negative, subject plus did plus not plus verb 1 plus object plus adverb. Interrogative, did plus subject plus verb 1 plus object plus adverb. Nominal, positive, subject plus to be was were plus object plus adverb. Negative, subject plus to be was were plus not plus object plus adverb. Interrogative, to be was were plus subject plus object plus adverb. Next, I will give an example nominal and verbal. Nominal positive. I was a singer in 2000. Negative. I was not a singer in 2000. Interrogative. Was I a singer in 2000? Example verbal. Regular verb. Positive. She moved to the other division. Negative. I didn't dump a banana peel into the trash. Interrogative. Did the baby cry last night? Irregular verb. Positive. She fell off the bike yesterday. Negative. They didn't hurt the cat last night. Interrogative. Did she keep the money last week?
Here I will explain about the past continuous tense. Definition: past continuous tense. A sentence pattern used to express an knowing event that occurred in the past. Function: past continuous tense. An annoying event in the past at a specific time, indicating the hour or other situation. Example: I was watching television at 8 p.m. yesterday. Declares something not done. Example: I was going to buy you a gift, but I left. my watch at home. Past continuous tense formula. Positive. Subject was, were, verb ing. Negative. Subject was, were, not, verb ing. Interrogative was, were, subject, verb ing. Example 1. Positive. They were trying. She was trying. Negative. They were not trying. She was not trying. Interrogative. Were they trying? Was she trying?
Past perfect tense. Definition: the past perfect tense is a change in the form of the verb to express that there was an event or action that was complete at some point in the past before another action also occurred. Next is timeline. Past perfect tense is used in activity that have been completed in the past that can occur repeatedly or only once. In addition, you can also use these tenses to tell about the event that has occurred in the past and was complete in the past. Next, this is a timeline or complete action before another action. Example, I had eaten before she arrived. Duration of the complete action. I have waited for 2 hours before he arrived. This is a structure of the past perfect tense. Sentence pattern, positive, formula, subject, plus had plus past participle verb 3, negative, subject, plus had plus not plus past participle verb 3, interrogative, had plus subject plus past participle verb 3. That is finally of example of the past perfect tense. Number one, positive. You had studied mathematics before you moved to Singapore. Negative. You had not studied mathematics before you moved to Singapore. Interrogative. Had you studied mathematics before you moved to Singapore? 2. Positive. My mother had slept before I came. Negative. My mother had not slept before I came. Interrogative. Had my mother slept before I came? Number 3. Positive. Yuna had read the books 2 times. Negative. Yuna had not read the book 2 times. Interrogative. Had Yuna read the book 2 times?
The next presentation is past perfect continuous tense. What is past perfect continuous? Past perfect continuous tense are tenses or verb formed to express an action with a certain duration of time or an event that has started and is taking place in the past but is no longer happening now. Next, timeline. Event that has started and is taking place in the past but is no longer happening now. Next, past perfect continuous formula. Positive. Subject plus had plus been plus verb ing. Negative. Subject plus had plus not plus been plus verb ing. Interrogative. Had plus subject plus been plus verb ing. Next, I will give an example past perfect continuous. Positive. Dia had been walking. Negative. Dia had not been walking. Interrogative. Had Leah been walking?